Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini to create a spreadsheet and have it include formulas for you. So one example I'm going to put in down here once you're in Gemini for the prompt. I already have it typed somewhere else, so I'm going to just go ahead and copy it and paste it in down here. Another thing you can do is use the microphone, which is really helpful. So I wanted to create a spreadsheet for revenue calculations. So let's just say you're a contractor or a consultant and you provide different types of work and charge different prices for different types of work. So this is an example if you do trainings, maybe you look over some submissions of work, resubmissions, and then you also want a total for monthly earned. So I explain exactly what I want included in the rows and the columns of the spreadsheet, and then I click the submit button. And this is what it came up with. So I was hoping that it would come up with an actual spreadsheet that I can show you. One thing to notice in Gemini is you see where it says show drafts. They always give you 3 options. So if you click on here, let's see, they may have given us what we're looking for. That's draft 1. Draft 2, okay, the whole spreadsheet changes and they actually have what I asked for going down here. Let's look at draft 3. Okay, draft 3 has the months going down and then what I put in going across the top. That looks really good. I like that one. Now, one thing that I want included in here is I want the certain formulas put in to save me time. That's the whole point of using AI for this task that I have here, instead of me just going in and typing in the formulas. So I'm going to enter another prompt and I'm going to say, which this time I'll just use the microphone. Include the following formulas: training $, equals trainings times 50. Submission $, equals submissions times 30. Resub $, equals resubmissions times 10. Format the spreadsheet with the formulas using actual cell references, assuming the data starts in row 2 and column B. Okay, I stopped my microphone. Just to explain what I typed here, I wanted to include the formulas. I typed $, or I spoke $. We'll see if it understands that instead of it actually seeing the $. I specifically asked here that it would include the formulas using actual cell references, and you'll see why when I hit enter. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so this was kind of some trial and error. Before, when I was doing this, I excuse me, just said include the formulas in the spreadsheet, and basically it just used some fake data to show you what the formula could be like, or it gave you an example of the formula for you to type in, like it does kind of down here, explanations of the formulas. But I wanted it to actually put all the information I need in the spreadsheet, so that you see this line down here, you can drag this over to the right. Once you drag it all the way over to the right, you'll see this export to sheets button. And once you click on that, down here on the bottom left, it's going to create the actual spreadsheet for you with all of the information that you requested. I'm going to click Open Sheets, and it has now opened it into a Google Sheet. And let me move this bar over here. You can see it looks like exactly how I wanted it. I got the months. I have what I'm looking for across the top. I'm going to click on this trainings, and you can see that's the formula I asked it to use. It'll be using the number of trainings I put in cell B2, and it'll multiply it times 50. This is assuming I charge $50 for a training. Submissions, D2 times 30, perfect. Resubmissions, F2 times 10. Again, assuming those are the numbers that I'm charging. And then the monthly totals earned. I didn't tell it to do a formula for that. You can go back and adjust that, or you can just put that in yourself and then drag down the formula and it'll adjust for all the rows. But this is a great way to save time using AI, specifically Gemini, to create a spreadsheet with formulas so you don't have to type everything in. I hope it's helpful, and if so, please subscribe for more videos. Thanks.